Okay, so these are the replacement bulbs for these reset lights. So first step, get rid of the old one. So you need to get this fitting off the ceiling. So just prise it out on one side, prise it out at the other. Just prise it out at different points till it's a bit loose, because there's a spring at the other side of it. You don't want to be too rough with it because you don't want to break the spring. But it takes a little bit of effort before it comes. Okay, it's starting to come now. And here we are. Okay, so that's the fitting. So it needs to screw out. Okay, so that's the two-pronged fitting there. So now that, so there's a spring in here that you need to release in order to get the bulb out. So right, so that's the spring. Hold that, make sure that's not damaged, and now the bulb will just come straight out because there's no spring to hold it. In with the new fella. Okay, so new fella like that. Use this spring to hold it so it goes around the circumference. So basically that edge there, that nip, needs to go into the hole in here in order to hold it. So fit it into the hole on one side, the hole on the other side. Okay, so that's now sorted there, and we can just clip it in. So then when you're putting it back up, these guys go into the ceiling, the recess in there, but these smaller ones don't go into the hole. They stay outside. These big ones inside, small ones outside. Okay, so clip it on here. So into the two holes and then twist clockwise to engage. Okay, so that's engaged now. And it's working, we know it's working. So slot it in. Yeah, so the big ones have to go in, small ones out. Okay, and then push. Lovely. Okay, so that's changed.